Hello again, fellow BeachBum traders. Thank you for joining us for episode number 2 in our series on option strategies for beginners with examples. In episode 2 of this series on option strategies for beginners, we will show you how we use the Webull desktop platform to investigate the selecting an expiration date and a strike price for various options, particularly cash secured puts, potentially selling cash secured puts for a stock as it declines or potentially declines, for a stock that we'd be interested in actually potentially owning at the strike price that we select. And if not, we can collect the premium and essentially generate a self-generated dividend and keep, rinse and repeat, stacking cash by selling these cash secured puts against a stock again that we would potentially be willing to own at the strike price we select. So again, in this episode number 2 on option strategies for beginners, we'll show you some specific examples of stocks that we might be interested in owning and how we select the expiration date and strike price for selling cash secured puts against those particular stocks. So we hope this all helps, and we'll get started. If you have not already seen episode 1 in our series on option strategies for beginners with examples, we would highly recommend that you also view episode number 1, as that shows you how we identify potentially optionable positions, how we enter our new optionable positions, how we review and monitor our outstanding options, how we're automatically collecting options data, how we identify the expiration date and strike price at which we might sell a covered call or sell a cash secured put, how we get alerts from our data analyzer, and again, our strategies for selling covered calls and selling cash secured puts. So again, we would highly recommend that you also view episode 1 to get our additional option strategies for beginners with examples. So we hope that all helps. Okay, in this video, I wanted to show you some examples of how I use the Webull desktop version to look for potential strike prices and expiration dates at which to try to sell cash secured puts or covered calls for various stocks. In this particular example, I want to look at Disney. So again, this is the desktop version of Webull, and I'm using this because it has the nice options charting features as well as a nice easy to use options chain. So in this case, if you just go to the uh, stock screen on the online or on the desktop version of Webull, you enter whatever symbol. In this case, I'm looking at Disney. I've got a range selected for a yearly uh, chart range. So you can see I have a support line drawn about $85, which was near the current low, yearly low of Disney. You can see it's currently around 93. So then I want to look at the options that are available in the near term months. This is the date of this recording is December 10th, 2022. So I'm going to look at both the December 16th, 22 cash secured puts, or puts in this case, and I'm going to look around the $85 strike price. In this case, so we look at some of the last pricing for this and also um, the open interest. In this case, it looks like the 85 has a large open interest. The prices seem a little low, but we'll look at it. What you can do in the desktop version of Webull is once you've identified a strike price and an expiration date, you can right click on it and say view that particular option in stocks. And as you will see, then it will show all of the various strike prices for that expiration date with the one that you've selected highlighted. And then we can jump over to the chart tab and we can actually see a chart of that particular option. I'm going to zoom this in to, let's say, a month. And then we can see where that sold. I'm going to zoom it in closer to a 1 minute chart. So we can see the 85 strike price, although it sold for 343 way back in the beginning of November. Most recently, the high we can see is about 52 cents. So I can also then jump to the $86 strike price, look at the monthly chart on that. So we can see, again, back in late November, it sold for 72 cents. Most recently, it sold for 69 cents. So again, since the most recent price is in line with kind of the high, I would be looking at selling cash secured puts for the December 16th strike price just below that high, maybe 71 cents or maybe 68 cents, or 68 cents again. And you want to sell cash secured puts when the stock price is going down, which will drive the price of the cash secured put up. So again, I just wanted to show you an example of how to select a strike price for a given expiration date using the various charting and options chain options in Webull desktop version. Okay, let's also look at the January options to see if that offers a better pricing. So again, if I just flip back to the options tab for Disney and I close the December and I go to the January 2023 puts for Disney, I can again scroll down, see what's available around the $85 price. Right now, 85, it looks like it's in $5 increments, so only 85 is available. Looks like the pricing is pretty good. The implied open interest is pretty good. So again, if I right click on the $85 strike price, I can view the January 23 puts in the stocks. It'll highlight that. I can jump over to the chart, and then I can look at the pricing for the January 23 puts for Disney. And now again, we can see the high price back in early November was 480. The most recent high was 204. So again, I could also look at selling the cash secured puts for Disney at an $85 strike price and an expiration of January 2023 at like 203. So again, a pretty little bit juicier cash secured put option. And I could also do both. I could sell the December 16th, wait for those to expire, and then sell the January 20th, 2023, assuming that the Decembers didn't get exercised. And again, you want to sell cash secured puts when the stock price of the underlying stock is going down. That will put the price of the cash secured puts up. So again, when the price of Disney is going down, we'll look at trying to sell a cash secured put against that at around $85. So I hope that all helps. Okay, I wanted to show you another example of how I can use the Webull desktop version to select an expiration date and strike price to potentially sell cash secured puts against the stock. In this case, I'm looking at Amazon. Again, if I'm on the stock screen on the desktop version of Webull, you can enter the ticker symbol for any stock in the search bar. View the chart. In this case, I want to view the weekly chart. I'm looking for, we can see Amazon's currently around 89. I want to find the next low or the next support level. It looks like it's around 81.30. And then I want to go look at the options, both the near term, the December 16th, 2022. Currently it's December 10th. I want to look in that 81 range and see what they're selling at, see what the implied open interest in, what they're selling at 33. I've got the puts selected, so they're selling at 33 cents, good open interest. So I can also look at the chart for that. If I select the 81 strike price and I right click and I view that in stocks, now we've got the 81 strike price. I can look at the chart. Okay, it's not showing any data. Let's zoom that out for a monthly chart. So I can see the high back in early November was $2.99. The high recently was about 52 cents. If I want to look at the Januaries as well, I can close the December, look at the January 20th. I'm not really looking at the weeklies right now. I'm just looking at the monthlies. Again, I can go to that $81 strike price for puts. I can right click. We can see they're selling significantly higher. Still got a pretty good open interest. So I can right click there. Now I've got the January $81 strike price. I can look at the chart for those for the month. We can see the high was about in early November was 437. The recent high was about 256, so I could try to sell those cash secured puts anywhere between 255 and 437. Again, I want to see where the price is going when Amazon is declining, which will drive the price of the cash secured puts up. So in our previous video, I showed how my automated alerting system will tell me as these prices move up and down. So I can put a potential buy for a cash secured put on Amazon. I can start out at 437 for the January 20th. 2023 cash secured puts, and then it'll tell me as Amazon stock price is moving down, where I should move that sell price at ask price for those cash secured puts to potentially fill them. So again, we'll be keeping an eye on the Amazon stock price to see where we can potentially sell some cash secured puts against Amazon for an $81 strike price and the January 2023 expiration date, as that is much more valuable than the December. So I hope that also helps. Okay, let's also look at if we want to potentially sell cash secured puts against Google Alphabet. So if I search for Google in the Webull desktop on the stock screen, again, I can look at the chart, the 1-year chart for Google. It looks like the low is around 83. It's currently about 93. It looks like it's kind of been in a choppy decline for a while. So if I zoom that out to kind of a max chart, question is at 83. Looks like the high for the year was about 152, so not quite a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So if we look at, okay, from that 83-ish level, the high again was 152. So really we want to get something, that looks like a 2-to-1 or so. So again, anything below that 83 will give us close to a 2-to-1. So if I look at the options for Google, again, cash secured puts, look at something in the 83 range, the December 16th, 2022, that looks pretty cheap, not terribly interesting. If I look at the January 20th, 2023s, so again, around the 80 level somewhere. Looks like, okay, they're selling for 85 cents. Again, Google was declining on Friday, the December 9th. Today's December 10th. So you can see that the value of that cash secured put was going up. Looks like it's currently selling for about 85 cents. It's got a high open interest at that 80 level. The ones down a little bit farther will pay a little more, less open interest. So, it might be something worth considering. Again, it doesn't really have the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio that we would like to have in terms of actually owning. So if this cash secured put got exercised in January, we would actually own Google. And the question is, do we really want to own Google at 80, given that it's, a little bit under a 2-to-1 risk to reward profile? So again, something again, to look at. Maybe we choose a lower strike price, way down in the 50 range. We look at what those are selling for right now. It's probably very cheap, because the probability of the price getting down that low in January is very low. So again, something we can consider. We can try selling those cash secured puts, just collect the cash. And then the question is, do we really want to own Google at $80 if it gets exercised in January? So we hope that all helps. So we hope that you found our episode number 2 on option strategies for beginners with examples to be helpful to you, and how you can use the Webull desktop platform to identify an expiration date and strike price at which you'd like to sell an option. In this episode number 2, the examples we have several examples that focus on cash secured puts and identifying the potential expiration date and strike price at which you might want to sell a cash secured put. We hope you like this information. We hope you'll smash the like button to help with the YouTube algorithm, to share this with your fellow traders around the world. We hope you will share this with your friends and fellow traders to help them learn various option strategies that they can employ as another method to make money trading. Again, if you have any questions, comments, any additional examples you'd like to see, please put that in the comments below. Also, in our free Discord, you can find the invite to our Discord in the description box below. Also, our Facebook group, and you can always contact us via our social media sites, links to which you can find in the description box below, and also on our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So again, let us know what you think of all of this, other option strategies that you think is suitable for beginners that you would like more information on, and let us know what you think of these examples shown in this video. We hope this all helps. Good luck and have a great trading week. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You could also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.